Hi, this is Chris Chase from Directive, the developers of Joom Connect for ConnectWise. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of a free tool that we built for ConnectWise partners called Campaign Lite. So on October 14th we're going to have a BDR Lunch and Learn campaign for our clients and some new leads that we've been working, and we're working with Kendra Lee at the KLA group to put the emails together for our lead generation campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to send out our first email, and we're going to show how you would do that with Campaign Lite. So for those of you that know what you're doing, don't worry, we're going to dive right into using the tool right off the bat. Alright, so you're going to want to go to the Joom Connect website, and you're going to want to go to MSP Services, and then you're going to want to go to Joom Connect Tools, and then choose Campaign Lite. Once we fill out this form, it's going to create the files that we need to upload to our web server, and it's also going to give us the links that we need to use in the ConnectWise Marketing Manager. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the file names I'm going to use for this campaign. We like to name them something that matches the campaign somewhat, and we also put them in a folder on the web server that matches the campaign name as well. And then I'm going to paste in my integrator login. Also, by the way, on this path to the server, if you go to the end of my link, you'll see that I don't have a trailing /. You don't need that, so just to save anybody a little bit of time, don't put on the /. Then I'm going to put in the company name the same as I would in the ConnectWise client, as well as the public or our ConnectWise server address. And then we're just going to tell it how many URLs we have, which in this case is just one. And then we're going to grab that URL, which is on our website. If we click on the call to action to learn more, it'll take us to our registration form, and we're going to go ahead and select the link on the top, copy it, go back to the campaign, and paste that into redirect URL 1. And then we're going to click Save. Once we click Save, we're presented with 2 files to download. As you download these files, they are deleted, so once you download it, you won't be able to retrieve it again. You'd have to reset the form and start over. Alright, so I've downloaded both of those files, and then these are the 2 URLs that I'll need in order to put them in the ConnectWise Marketing Manager. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the email that we're going to send out, and I'm going to go to the back end of our Joomla website, and I'm going to click on Add New Article. This will give me a nice WYSIWYG editor to create my email with. I'm going to paste in the email text, and then this is the link that we want to create to link them to the form. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new link there. And I'm going to go back to Campaign, and I'm going to copy that first URL, which you'll see it already has the campaign ID configured. And I'm going to paste that link in at the top. Give it a title. And I'm going to click Insert. So now I've added that link to the page, and now the only thing I have left to do is to stick the image somewhere on the page so that when someone opens the email, it'll record that open in the ConnectWise Campaign Monitor. So in this case, I'm just going to insert a new image. I'm going to go back to Campaign and grab the image URL, copy it, and I'm going to paste that into the URL for the image. I'm going to tell it it's a 1x1 pixel image. And you'll notice I'm not really using an image. There won't be a red X and it'll work. By the way, this is just a message telling me that I ought to put in some alternate text, but I don't need it for this, so I'm going to hit yes. And this is how it will record the fact that the email was opened. So now I'm just going to grab this source code, copy it, and I'm going to go into ConnectWise, And this is the campaign that we have set up. I'm going to open up another window in our Marketing Manager. And I'm just going to look up myself. Select it, click Next. And I'm going to go into the source. I'm going to paste it, say yes. And we're ready to go. So at this point I can choose a campaign, and I can put the subject in. The last thing you have to do is upload the files to the web server. So I'm just going to minimize ConnectWise for a minute. I'm going to go to you can use any program you want, FTP or whatever it is. In this case I'm using a program for Joomla called EXTplorer. And I'm just going to browse to my downloads directory and grab each one of those files and save them to the server. And there they are. And now if I go back to ConnectWise, I can hit process requests, say yes. And I've already received the email. And you'll notice right now under tracking, I'm going to do a search and there's nothing. But if I open the email, from opening it we should have one click or one open. There it is. And if I click the link, we land on the registration page. And if we go back to Campaign Monitor, you'll see we now have a click. Well, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to pop an email to me, and I'll be glad to try to help you. Have a great day. Bye.